Hello. In this video, we will explain how to download a story from WhatsApp without the need to install any software or similar. First, let's open the WhatsApp application. Then, watch the story you want to download.
Now it's a mambo, mambo Italiano, a mambo, mambo Italiano. Go, go, Joe. You mixed up Siciliano. Oh, you calibrate do the mambo like crazy. Just make a little beat, bambino. It's a like a vino. Kitchen, but you don't know what's a cook until you hey, 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 hey.
Jitbox Design.
Next, go to the computer icon on your desktop. Now, we need to show hidden files. Watch the simple method. And because we need to focus to follow this path, we then open the local disk system C. Then to Users. Then to Computer Username. Then to App Data. Then to Local. Then to Packages. Then to this file. Then to Local State. Then to Shared. Then to Transfers. As you can see, you have successfully downloaded the story without installing any software. Don't forget to support me by subscribing, commenting, and liking.
Now it's a mambo, mambo Italiano, a mambo, mambo Italiano. Go, go, Joe. You mixed up Siciliano. Oh, you calibrate do the mambo like crazy. Just make a little beat, bambino. It's a like a vino. Kitchen, but you don't know what's a cook until you hey, 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 hey.
Jitbox Design.